In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a Gantt chart in Confluence. We'll walk through the process of finding and installing a Gantt chart app from the Atlassian Marketplace directly inside your Confluence space. By the end, you'll be ready to start visualizing your project timelines in a clear, structured way. First, make sure you're logged into your Confluence site and that you have the right permissions to install or request apps. If you're not a site admin, you may still be able to try apps, but in many organizations, an administrator has to approve the installation. Keep that in mind as we go through the steps. Start on any Confluence page. Look toward the top navigation bar for the option labeled Apps. It may appear in the main navigation or under a More menu, depending on your configuration, but you're looking for the General Apps entry point. Click on Apps to open the app menu. From here, you'll see an option that says Explore Apps. This is your doorway to the Atlassian Marketplace from within Confluence. Go ahead and click Explore Apps. This will open a new view where you can discover and search for add-ons that extend Confluence's capabilities. Once the Marketplace view is open, move to the search bar at the top of the page. Click into the search field and type Gantt chart. This tells Confluence you're specifically interested in apps that provide Gantt chart functionality. After typing your search, wait for the results to load. You'll see a list of apps that match your query, each with a name, description, and usually a rating and number of installs. Scan the results and find a Gantt chart app that fits your needs. Typically, you'll see several options, such as simple timeline tools, more advanced project planners, or plugins that integrate with Jira. For this walkthrough, we'll just choose one of the available Gantt chart apps. Click on the Gantt chart app name to open its details page. On the app details page, you'll see information like an overview, screenshots, pricing, and compatibility. This is a good moment to quickly confirm that the app supports your version of Confluence and offers the features you care about, such as drag and drop tasks or dependency lines. When you're ready, look for the button that lets you add or try the app, and select it. From here, simply follow the on-screen prompts. Confluence will guide you through any installation, trial, or permission steps. Once those prompts are complete,